think talking to your boss is the best way to manage stress in the workplace?
I think talking to my boss is the best way to manage stress in the workplace. First, I think my boss has more experience and knowledge about managing stress at work.
Okay.
So my boss can,
So what do you believe?
I believe my boss can provide useful information, advice, and tips help me overcome manage stress at work.
What? Overcome what?
Overcome stress at work.
Okay.
Second, I think they are influential people at work. So when I have trouble, they can give good direction and practical advice. If I follow their advice, I can stay in a good mood and remain focused while working. For these reasons, I think talking to my boss is the best way to manage my stress in the workplace.
Okay, good.